Welcome to Money Minds. Warren Buffett, the man who turned a failing textile company into a multi-billion-dollar empire, needs no introduction. This investment maestro began his journey with a modest partnership, eventually commandeering the helm of the mighty Berkshire Hathaway. His remarkable success story, peppered with astute investments and strategic foresight, has cemented his reputation as one of the world's greatest investors. Today, we delve into the wisdom of this investment titan, as revealed in his 2024 letter. Each year, the financial world eagerly awaits Buffett's annual letter to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders. This year is no different. The anticipation that surrounds this yearly tradition is nothing short of electric. It's as if the world of finance holds its collective breath, waiting for that proverbial envelope to be opened. And why wouldn't it? After all, this is not just any letter. This is an insight into the mind of the Oracle of Omaha himself, Warren Buffett. This tradition of sharing his wisdom and insights with the world has been going on for decades. Each year, like clockwork, the letter arrives, offering a glimpse into Buffett's investment philosophy. It's like a masterclass in investing delivered straight from one of the greatest investors of our time. The beauty of these letters lies in their simplicity. They're not filled with jargon or complicated financial models. Instead, they are brimming with simple, straightforward advice that anyone can follow. They are a testament to Buffett's belief in the power of long-term investment and the importance of understanding the businesses you invest in. The annual letter is more than just a tradition. It's a beacon guiding investors through the often turbulent seas of the financial markets. It's a reminder that while markets may fluctuate and economies may falter, sound investment principles stand the test of time. And this year, as we unfold the 2024 letter, we find that Buffett has once again shared his wisdom generously. He has provided us with some subtle yet powerful advice. This advice, if heeded, has the potential to shape our investment decisions and influence our financial future. In his 2024 letter, Buffett provides some subtle yet powerful investment advice. Buffett has always been a firm believer in ignoring market pundits. You've probably heard this advice echoed time and again. But what does it really mean to ignore these market gurus? Well, it's all about tuning out the noise. There's a constant buzz in the financial world, a flurry of predictions, theories, and analyses, often contradictory and confusing. This cacophony can lead investors astray, pushing them to make hasty decisions based on trends or short-term market fluctuations. Warren Buffett, with his decades of investment experience, cautions against this trap. He urges investors to avoid risky ventures that may lead to permanent capital loss. It's not about being completely risk-averse, but rather about being wisely cautious. It's about understanding that investing is not a game of chance, but a strategic endeavor that requires patience and discernment. You see, market pundits often focus on the temporary ups and downs of the market, the fleeting opportunities that may promise quick returns. But these are often riddled with uncertainty and risk. Buffett, on the other hand, champions the long-term view. He advocates for investments in quality businesses, those with a track record of success and a promising future. Buffett's investment strategy has always been about investing in quality businesses. This guiding principle has been a cornerstone of his success, and it's one he staunchly advocates for in his 2024 letter to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders. So what does it mean to invest in quality businesses? According to Buffett, it's about identifying companies that have a solid track record, a strong competitive advantage, and a robust management team. It's about investing in businesses that you understand and believe in. This is why he has long-term investments in companies like Coca-Cola and American Express. These are businesses that have proven to be resilient, profitable, and capable of weathering economic storms. Buffett's emphasis on quality over quantity or quick gains is a testament to his belief in the power of compounding. The idea here is simple yet powerful. When you invest in a strong business and let your investment grow over time, the returns can be incredible. This is the magic of compounding, and it's a key component of Buffett's buy and hold philosophy. But why does Buffett advocate for a buy and hold strategy? Well, it's because he understands that the true value of a business is not determined by short-term market fluctuations. The real value lies in its long-term potential. By holding on to his investments in quality businesses, Buffett allows time and compounding to work their magic, leading to substantial returns in the long run. Remember, investing is not about chasing the latest trends or trying to make a quick buck. It's about making informed decisions and having the patience to stick with your investments. As Buffett himself has said, the stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. And so, in the grand scheme of things, Buffett's advice is a reminder of the timeless principles of investing. It's a call to return to the basics, to focus on the fundamentals, and to invest with a long-term perspective. In Buffett's words, it's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Buffett warns about the perils of a market environment that resembles a casino. As we delve deeper into the financial wisdom of Warren Buffett, one of his most profound insights addresses the increasing speculation in the market. Buffett equates this speculative environment to a casino, a place known more for its risks than its rewards. Now imagine a bustling casino floor, the bright lights, the deafening noise, the thrill of potential winnings, and the anguish of losses. It's a world of extreme highs and lows, where fortunes can be made and lost in an instant. This, Buffett warns, is what the market can become if we're not careful. Buffett's concern lies in the allure of quick profits that can distract investors from sound investing principles. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient, he once said. It's a reminder that the market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a platform for long-term wealth accumulation. He urges us to resist the siren call of the speculative frenzy. He advises us to stick to our principles, to focus on the intrinsic value of businesses, rather than the fleeting trends of the market. It's a marathon, not a sprint, he reminds us. In the casino-like market, it's easy to get swept up by the crowd, to place bets based on hype rather than substance. But we must remember that the tide of the market is fickle. When the market is on a bull run, everyone appears to be a genius. But when the tide turns, and it inevitably will, those without a sound investing strategy will be exposed. Buffett's cautionary advice is a reminder to remain grounded, to keep our eyes on the fundamentals, and to invest with a long-term perspective. It's a call to avoid the temptiness of quick gains and to focus on building sustainable wealth. As Buffett aptly puts it, when the tide goes out, you discover who's been swimming naked. Buffett's 2024 letter is a treasure trove of investment wisdom. As we delve into the depths of this wisdom, three pivotal points emerge. Firstly, the Oracle of Omaha urges us to ignore market pundits. It's easy to get swayed by the noise of market forecasts, predictions, and speculations. But Buffett's advice is to turn a deaf ear to these distractions. Instead, focus on the fundamentals of the businesses you're investing in. Remember, the market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. The second nugget of wisdom is to stick with wonderful businesses. Like a gardener nurturing his plants, Buffett suggests nurturing your investments in quality businesses. Coca-Cola, American Express. These are examples of such businesses that have stood the test of time in Buffett's own portfolio. The key is to invest in businesses that you understand and believe in, businesses that have a sustainable competitive advantage. Lastly, Buffett cautions us to be wary in a casino-like market. When the market resembles a casino, with wild swings and speculative bets, that's when you need to exercise the most caution. Avoid risky ventures that promise quick returns. The aim is not to prevent losses, but to prevent permanent capital loss. These principles, carved from decades of experience and success, are timeless. They are not just relevant for 2024, but will hold true for years and decades to come. They are not about timing the market, but about time in the market. In the world of investing, there may be no better guide than Warren Buffett. As we navigate the market's highs and lows, his words serve as a lighthouse, guiding us towards wise and informed decisions. No matter where the market takes us, let's remember to anchor our actions in these principles, and success will surely follow. We hope you found this deep dive into Warren Buffett's 2024 letter insightful. We unearthed wisdom in ignoring market pundits, sticking with wonderful businesses, and exercising caution in a casino-like market. These timeless principles, carved from the Oracle of Omaha's decades of experience and success, are not just relevant for 2024, but will hold true for years and decades to come. Remember, investing is not about timing the market, but about time in the market. So, as you navigate your own investment journey, we encourage you to apply these principles. Anchor your actions in this wisdom, and success will surely follow. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights into the world of investing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy investing.